Dillon with the embroidery warehouse here with the TEWH X model with the Raynen Control Panel. Now, some of our customers have run into the issue like this one where we go to set our hat frame, and what it does is try to set the frame origin and go all the way back and to the right. So what I've done here is I'll go into my hoop parameter. I will go to the hoop selection. I'll select my hoop. I will go to the orientation icon here. And what I did was I brought it up to where I felt with my hooped cap that this is my center right here. So I took a picture of everything, I set it up, and basically I had set my Y off on purpose to be at 90 degrees. But what I wanted at about 180. And then about 256 for X 180, 256 for Y. So what I'll do here is, this is my current readings, this is the save parameters. My save parameters when it was going back and back was set for 0 and 0, which is far right back. So what I'm gonna do here is 180. And I like to put the 0.0 just to make sure there's no weird computer numbers added. And then for Y here, I'll set for 256. And then I'll do the check mark to save the parameter. I can exit out of this. I can go back to my hoop, select the hoop I want, hat hoop, select, set frame origin now. It's already there. I can center the hoop, and then perform a trace if need be. And that's how you reset your parameters to set your home set for this hoop system.